best country living, Jamaica living. Y'all need to come to Jamaica. You see when COVID pass? Come to Jamaica. This is the life. See? This is it. I'm a vlogger, right?
Okay.
I have a YouTube channel.
That's true?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So you gotta go worldwide.
My.
So you ready to get famous?
That's famous.
Alright guys, so I'm here with Dean and what am I there?
Iton side.
I'm at
Portland. Iton side, Portland.
we're at Iton side, but it's spelled with a Y. I don't understand how you get Iton with a
Y-T-H-A-N
H-A-N.
S-I-D.
Yeah, I saw the sign and I was like, that is it. But anyways, I'm in Iton side in Portland today. Welcome, and I'm here with Dean, and I just saw this fruit. Oh, this is Dean. Say hi.
Hi.
We just saw this fruit on the tree, and he's about to tell us what it is. Does anyone know what this fruit is? Look at it.
So this is a nutmeg.
Right?
Great spice.
Like
No.
I didn't know it was a nutmeg. I thought it was lime.
Normally you would know a nutmeg by the red spiral,
Nutmeg not like black.
a black
Like dark
hard
brown.
shell
Yeah.
with a red spiral on it. That when you are making like porridge, you would put the red outer coat, just a spiral net, almost like a net. That would be on the hard shell.
So
So you normally put that in porridge.
wait, so how this get to what we know nutmeg
Okay,
as?
so this now, the hard shell is inside of this, and the nutmeg is inside of the hard shell. Now this coat that you are seeing here now, the skin,
Is it-
it
It's
is hard.
hard,
Yeah,
yeah.
it is hard. This would normally dry and become that red net you see on the shell of the nutmeg. And then, so all of this sap would be dried out and become that red net.
And then that's what you grate in the fire?
No, you'd have to break the
You
shell
crack the shell for real.
and get the nutmeg out of the
You're
shell,
right, you know, you're right.
but the red net, which is this skin, is also used in making porridge. Not just the nutmeg you
Not
grate.
just the actual seed, but the skin as well.
It sounds like you have never seen the red net.
No, what
Anyway.
I've seen is the seed that you
The seed,
grate.
right? The seed that you grate. But
Yeah.
there's also a red net.
No, I never see the redness.
Okay. I'll
But
try
that's-
and get one for you.
Yes, please. But that's interesting. I never ever know that
Okay,
nutmeg.
so this is what nutmegs looks like before it is dried and ready for use.
Wow, thank you.
Okay.
But wait, before you leave, I have some questions for you now. Like how your hand tall, like, hold the camera for me.
Okay.
Look at it. See with it. So Iton
side.
Tell me about Iton side. It's my first time here, guys. I'm
Okay.
just here for a couple of hours, and Dean is. This is where you're from?
No, I'm actually from Buff Bay.
Okay, from Buff
Okay,
Bay.
Portland,
Okay,
yeah.
so talk to me about Iton side.
Now, Iton side, not Whiton, Iton side.
Iton,
Iton
spelled with a
side,
Y.
yeah. Iton side is about a mile out of Swift River. Swift River is a well-known place for Busso Festival and all of that.
What is Busu?
Wow. Busso is
Anybody know what Busu? What is Busu?
Busso, just like how you'd have a sea snail that they call conch,
Yeah.
you'd have a river snail that they call Busso.
Oh, I never know that.
Yeah. So just like how people love to eat conch, a sea snail,
So you have Busu, which
yeah,
is a river
Busso, which is
snail.
a river version, much smaller. Much smaller. Okay? So
So you have a festival for
they
it?
normally have a festival. It's a couple of years now that we haven't had that festival. But normally we'd have the Busso Festival and people from all over. Not just Jamaica, but the world.
It looks like conch.
No, it is very small. It's almost like the size of your fingernail. Very small.
Wow.
But in numbers, and it is a very powerful, it makes a very powerful soup.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So you're saying it's 1 mile out from that place?
Yeah, from Swift River.
Okay.
Actually half mile, approximately half mile from Swift River.
I now like you tell me it was 10 miles up the hill and I feel like we
From
drive for
the-
100 miles a while
Okay,
ago. It was
because
so
the
so
condition, the condition of the road surface and the amount of corners you're taking,
Yeah,
make
man,
it
it was
seem,
like-
yeah. But it's not that far.
But what is this area known for?
This area is known for farming. It's a farming community. Like actually now you are on 100 acres of land,
Wow.
right? Which a lot of deer,
Deer?
reindeer, yeah,
Reindeer?
yeah.
We have reindeer in Jamaica?
Wow, of course.
We have reindeer in Jamaica? I never know that.
Yeah, actually a couple of years after Hurricane Helene, what it was, 6 reindeers got away from Somerset Falls and went in the hills.
So is
and
there,
they're
can
about,
I see any of them today? Or are them the far out?
you can see remnants of some of the carcasses in that shed. The kitchen there, you can see some wolf. I think we have a skull in there also.
Oh my god. Alright, we'll look at that
Because
afterwards.
you have a lot of hunters in this community.
So you guys do like deer shooting?
Yes, it's a
It's a sport?
sport. It's a sport, not a sport that is, well, I see NEPA trying to step in now and give permission to hunt, but they're finding it very difficult because it's not a normal species in Jamaica.
But up here is a shooters club. So is it just deer
No,
that
it's
you
private.
shoot?
This is private property.
Oh, okay.
This is
I
actually
saw a
private.
sign that says shooters.
Okay, that is a gun club that normally during hunting season they normally ask for permission to hunt on these premises. Yeah, that is actually our club. We have a club that
So this is what they do for fun?
for fun,
Shooting
for fun.
deers.
Yeah.
You don't feel bad when I shoot the deer?
It's food.
Oh, so you
It's
shoot
not-
it
it's
to
not-
eat deer?
Wow, it's not sport, it's food.
Wait.
This is food.
People eat deer?
You eat goat. Is just another.
Me eat chicken.
You don't eat mutton? No? Okay. Well,
I just got mutton a while ago, but as you can see, I never eat it.
oh, you never eat
I
it.
eat chicken.
You're sorry for the goat.
Yeah, I don't eat red
Well, that is good. We need people like you.
Wow.
We need people like you.
Wow.
Yeah. But this is a nice area to hunt deer and wild goat and whatever else you can find here.
Wow. So, do you raise any animals?
Raise animals. A lot of common fowls around here
Me see them, a
That way.
whole heap of them.
that we get eggs from.
Okay.
And
So what's in the shed behind me?
this is a fowl coop. So
When in there now?
No, not now. But normally you have a lot of mongoose in the area that
That eat the
eat
fowl?
the eggs
That eat the eggs?
and the chickens.
Come
When the fowls lay,
Mm-hmm.
because the fowls they have a tendency to lay all over the place,
Mm-hmm.
and the mongoose come in and find the eggs
Mm-hmm.
and eat the eggs and eat the chickens if we allow them to hatch outside. So what we normally do, we take them and put them in here.
In the shed?
Yeah. So
Got
the
it.
fowls would hatch the eggs in there and raise the chickens in there, and then when they reach a certain size, we let them out. You understand?
Got it. So the chicken we're eating today, is any of these common?
No. This is not common fowl. Common fowl have a different texture completely.
I hear it tough.
It tastes nice. It has the right texture.
Wait, that's gunshot.
Everybody have gun up here, so.
You hear a lot of that up here because it's a.
Listen, I get on my banana group. Understand?
This is a controlled farm. You understand? A lot of hunting takes place up here. Nothing that would be considered illegal because birds, there are a specific time hunting season for those.
For birds, yeah.
But there's
yeah.
no specific hunting season for deer
So you just go anytime.
or your common fowl because it's your fowl. So if Sunday morning you wake up and you want a nice rooster to cook, you step outside and you shoot your rooster.
So they have deer up here?
Deer, yeah man, a lot of deer up.
Yeah, here's some of them shoot there and eat there. I don't know people
We just
eat
planted.
deer.
Yeah, venison. That's what it's called.
Which-
Them is them the deer shoot.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So, you know, you invite me, man. You run for fire, my shotgun, you know.
I like hear that come and mash up interview.
We just planted 50 jackfruit trees.
Not enough man on
Them
the
love jackfruit.
I
No,
saw
no,
this-
for our consumption.
Okay.
Yeah, we just planted 50 jackfruit trees over that section.
How long them take for growing them?
We can see them now? The jackfruit?
It's a
Or
good
them
walk.
far?
It's a good walk.
Oh no, I believe you. I know.
Yeah.
So this gathering is something that you guys do very often?
Well, actually, this is my birthday gathering. Normally, everybody have a birthday.
Normally.
Actually,
No, no.
every week.
I was just about to say, when you were coming in, the man I tell you it's 50th.
Every-
So man get 50 every year? So we do it regular?
No,
One of them
no,
have
no.
this kind of gathering all
Every
the time.
week, somebody can find a reason.
Oh, it's a part of
Together. If it's not your birthday, it's your friend's birthday, or is your something. Something. You must find some reason.
Yeah.
Some reason
Something
together.
to celebrate.
Yeah.
But I must tell you that you look really, really, really good. For 50 and I look nothing close
Yeah?
to 50.
With a broken toe?
Yeah, look nothing close to 50.
Just the other day, one of my cousins got a deer, a young one, a kid. And
Hold on, their baby name kid?
that is what I would call it.
I think it's a fawn.
Fawn.
Yeah.
It is
Fawn,
Right,
okay.
fawn. So he got a young one, and him have it like how we would have this cubby, right? So him put it inside there and feeding it. And the people from who own the zoo, Kingston Zoo,
Yeah. Hope so.
Hope Zoo, they came over, heard about it and came over, wanting to buy it, and offered the man 60,000. And he said, no, you have to give me more than that. You have to remember, you know, this is a man who are dead hungry.
You understand?
And he said, no, you have to give me 100,000.
And then game.
And them said, no, wait, I think 60,000 is a reasonable figure. And him said, no, you have to do better than that. And they left. And 1 week after that, they died. And the man wept bitterly.
Him should.
The man didn't have no money.
Yeah.
And him could have get 60.
Him should have taken the
Easy.
60.
Him
Make
cry.
it dead on them.
Him cry.
And probably them would have known if to take care, right?
Yeah. It wouldn't die on them because they would have
Exactly.
know exactly how to take care of it.
Maybe him when him think he might feed it or not that it want.
He might eat milk powder, he might feed it.
Milk powder?
Milk powder.
Wow.
Kill it.
So what does their meat taste like? It tastes like
It
chicken?
tastes just like mutton.
Like mutton?
Because it's a family of
It's a family of
the
the
goat. You know.
And normally,
Sheep, goat, deer.
right. Normally, if you have cows in a area, like you have a pasture with cows or goats, you can most likely show to every morning, every early morning, you can find a deer
Okay.
in the midst of them.
Okay. Them normally come. Okay.
Alright, let's do this again. Alright, so I'm gonna walk on the property and show you guys what's around. I know he mentioned that there's jackfruit trees, so I spot a jackfruit tree and I'm gonna show you guys, especially for those non-Jamaicans who I'm not sure if you know what jackfruit is, but if you do, kudos to you. But look, so that's the jackfruit over there, and then big too, you know. That's the jackfruit over there, and then really big. And then this is coconut tree right here. So jackfruit, and then there. So this property is so big and there's so much going on, so much lush green vegetation. Oh my god, imagine just waking up to something like this every morning. Like you come out to the farmland, you come out to fruits, you don't have to go to the shop, you just eat some fruits, you know, and then when you're ready you pick some callaloo and some other things to go cook for breakfast, and then by lunchtime you grab some jackfruit and some mango, and then by dinner time, oh my god, just imagine that, how healthy you would be. I can't imagine this That's crazy. This is Portland, guys, in Highton side. Interesting. My very first time coming here, and I'm actually here for Dean's 50th birthday party. And you know, just have to take you guys around. But let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I'm gonna be in Portland for another couple of hours, so I'll show different parts of Portland that I venture to. But right now we're in Highton side.